Charging process started.
Hi guys, and welcome back on my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you the best shortcuts automations for your iPhone. I've already made several videos about the best shortcuts, so check them out if you're interested, but today we will be talking about automations. Shortcuts automations, as its name says, allows users to run different automations based on the context, time of the day, or other parameters. In this video I will show you all my shortcuts automations. Some of them are really cool. If you want to support me, please like and subscribe. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's have a look on my first personal automation. When any alarm goes off, when alarm goes off, automation, run immediately, very important, so I don't have to confirm the action. And what to do, run a smart lights shortcut, very simple. When the alarm goes off in the morning, it automatically turns on lights in my apartment. It's very handy and it allows me to wake up easier, because when you have lights on, it's difficult to fall asleep. My second automation is very simple and it's related to CarPlay. When my iPhone connects to CarPlay, it automatically opens Waze app, because when I'm in the car there is 99% of chance to use this navigation app. So I don't have to manually open this app, my iPhone instantly opens the Waze app. My automation number 3 is related to music. When my iPhone is connected to any of two Bluetooth devices, my AirPods or my Sony headphones is connected, I've selected two devices, it instantly opens the music app, because obviously when I'm opening my AirPods I'm going to listen to music. At least there is a high chance this will happen, so I set this automation. When it comes to shortcuts automation, it's all about optimization and winning some seconds throughout your day. So when I open the AirPods case, my iPhone automatically connects to them and opens the music app. I'm saving maybe 3 to 4 seconds per day, but you know, it's always something. It's better than nothing. Next automation uses the NFC tag. When the NFC tag is detected, run immediately. And actually I have a little NFC tag hidden inside this interesting object. It's a Moft smart pad. You see the NFC logo. So when I approach my iPhone to this location, to this NFC tag, it automatically runs my automation. It automatically runs my shortcut that is related to a smart plug. It automatically turns on the outlet related to my computer, so I can instantly turn on or turn off my setup. You see, all I have to do is just approach my iPhone to this place, to this NFC tag, and it can turn on or turn off my desktop Mac setup. So let's go back to my automations. My next automation is related to social media. When Instagram is opened, my iPhone automatically starts a timer for 10 minutes. Why? Because I'm trying to reduce my screen time. I'm trying not to spend too much time on the social media apps. So when I'm opening the Instagram app, I see the 10 minutes timer, you know, in this digital island, and it allows me to keep track on the time spent on the social media. You know, it's like a small thing, but it really helps me to, you know, to optimize my time, because, you know, time spent on the social media is time lost for your life. Next automation is related to battery. When battery level falls below 5%, my iPhone speaks the text: critical battery level, connect your iPhone to the power source or use the ultra low power mode, and it runs the ultra low power mode shortcut. When I have just 5% of battery life left, my iPhone literally speaks out loud to me and automatically runs the ultra low power mode shortcut. I found it pretty useful. It's just a little bit awkward to hear your iPhone speaking and asking for charging it. Next automation is also related to battery life. When battery level falls below 35%, my iPhone automatically turns on the standard low power mode on my iPhone. By default, your iPhone will turn on the low power mode when it falls below 20%, but I decided to increase this number. Next, shortcuts automation is also related to charging. When my iPhone is connected to power, it automatically speaks a text. Which text? Charging process started. Why? I don't know why, it's just funny. It's just like, I'm going to show you how it works.
Charging process started.
You can of course replace the text by your own. For example, let's ask my iPhone to say something like subscribe to my YouTube channel when it's connected to a power source, and you will see it will start speaking this text every time connected to a power source.
Subscribe to my channel.
The last shortcut automation I want to show you is related to a focus mode. When reduce interruption mode is on, it automatically turns off the always on display, so that way I'm not distracted. And when the reduce interruptions mode is off, it will turn on the always on display. Hope you got the idea. Let me show you how it works. So for example, I'm turning on the reduce interruption mode on my Apple Watch. You see now the always on display is on my iPhone. Reduce interruptions, on, and boom, it automatically turns off the always on display. So I'm not distracted, I'm not seeing any notifications. Very, very cool automation. And again, when I'm turning off the reduce interruption mode, it will automatically turn on the always on display, so I can enjoy my notification. And yeah, like, you got the idea. You can really play with different shortcuts automations and try to invent something that will fit your lifestyle. If you're a beginner and you want to create automations, all you have to do is open the Shortcuts app, and you have to go to the Automation tab, tap on the little plus icon in the upper right corner, and you can select, the context, time of the day, alarm, sleep, when you arrive somewhere, when you leave a location, CarPlay, email, when I get a message or when you send a message, when your iPhone is connected to your home Wi-Fi, different battery levels, focus modes, sound recognition, and so on. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Let me know in the comments what are your favorite automations on your iPhone. I'm really curious to know your ideas. Thanks again for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.